Buying a home can feel overwhelming, especially if you don't know what comes next. The good news? The Arizona home buying process is much more straightforward than most people expect. From your first conversation to getting the keys, there's a clear path, and knowing it ahead of time helps you avoid surprises. I'm Jermaine, your Arizona realtor, lender, and fellow investor. Let's walk through the entire home buying process in Arizona, step by step, so you know exactly what to expect. Step 1. Meeting with me, your real estate agent. We'll discuss everything you're looking for: bedrooms, garages, budget, and the areas you love. Whether it's a cozy 2-bedroom or a spacious 5-bedroom, I'll help find exactly what suits your needs. Next up, it's lender time. Getting pre-approved is essential, so you know your price range before we go shopping. Your lender will look at your income, debts, and assets to see how much home you can afford. This way, you avoid any disappointments and stay focused on homes in your budget. With that pre-approval in hand, it's time for the fun part: house hunting. It's a roller coaster, but I'm here to help navigate the ups and downs, including understanding if it's a seller's or buyer's market. If it's a seller's market, things move fast with lots of offers, and if it's a buyer's market, we'll have some room to negotiate a better price. Once we find the home, we'll make an offer. This is where strategy kicks in. Together, we'll decide on the right price and terms, looking at factors like the market, days on the market, and if we can ask the seller to help cover closing costs. Offer accepted? Great. Now we're under contract. We'll be working with the title company as a neutral third party where you'll put down some earnest money to show you're serious. Just a reminder, your earnest money is held with that third-party title company, and those funds will go toward your loan or closing costs at closing. And remember, you have the right to choose the title company, which can be important in protecting your investment. While under contract, we'll complete inspections and order an appraisal to ensure the home's in good condition and valued right. I'll guide you every step of the way, so no surprises. Next up is the final walkthrough, our last chance to check the home's condition before closing. I'll make sure it's just as perfect as when we first toured. Finally, closing day, you'll sign the documents, the lender will release funds, and once the title records it, the home is officially yours. Congratulations, homeowner. You'll get the keys and begin this exciting new chapter in your new Arizona home. I hope this gives you a clear view of the journey ahead. If you're starting to think about buying a home in Arizona, reach out anytime and we can map out this process together. Still have questions about the Arizona home buying process? Then let's talk. I'm always here to help homeowners and future homeowners like you. Got questions? Call or text me at 480-800-HOME. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Arizona real estate tips. Have a nice day.